Hi, hello, good morning children. I am teaching social studies for 3rd class students. Today I am going to revise the second lesson. What is the name of the lesson? The earth. The earth. Earth means bhumi. Earth. You are calling earth, but the correct pronunciation is the earth. Earth. Okay. Earth only the planet which has life, living things. Either human beings or birds or insects or animals. మనిషి అనేవాడు కానీ ప్రాణం ఉన్నవి ఎక్కడున్నాయి? వీ హ్యావ్ 8 planets. ఆల్రెడీ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ లెసన్. వీ హ్యావ్ 8 planets. In that 8 planets, on the earth only we have life. We have life. Okay, so life and living things and water also. Water also is on the earth only. In the remaining planets there is no water. There is no water. Okay, earth is only the place where living things can live. ప్రాణం ఉన్నవి బ్రతికే ప్లేస్ ఎక్కడంటే ఎర్త్ మాత్రమే. ఏ ప్లానెట్లో కూడా బ్రతకు. ఏ ప్లానెట్లో కూడా బ్రతకు. సి హూ ఫౌండ్ ద ఎర్త్? ఫెర్డినాండ్ మాజెలాన్. Who found the earth? Who is the founder of the earth? Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan. Magellan. Okay. Ferdinand Magellan in 1519. In 1519, he sailed in the same direction for 3 years and he reached the same place. He started like this and he sailed like this and he sailed like this and he stopped in the same place. He reached the same place. Then he came to know that earth is not flat. Earth is in round shape. Earth is in round shape. Okay. Earth is in round shape. It is not in the flat. It is not in the flat shape. It is in the round shape. It is in the round shape. We live on the earth. Earth is the 5th largest planet. 5th largest planet. 5th largest planet and it is bigger than Mercury, Venus, Mars. It is bigger than Mercury, Venus, Mars, but smaller than Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. But smaller than Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. For a long time it is believed that earth is flat. Ela balla parpuga undanukunevaadu. But earth is not in flat shape. It is in round shape. But later on it was proved that earth is in round shape. It means it is spherical. Spherical means round shape. Bulged in the middle. Bulged in the middle like this. Koncham guntala undu chusara. Bulged in the middle like this and top and bottom. Bulged in the top and bottom. Okay. See, this is called North Pole and this is called South Pole. This is called South Pole. This is called North Pole and this is called South Pole. At the half of the earth, equator is there. Bhumajya Rekha. Equator is there. Equator is there. Equator means Bhumajya Rekha. Bhumajya Rekha. So this is about the earth. Earth is in round shape, spherical shape. It has the ending point is called North Pole. South ending point is called South Pole. In the middle of the earth, one imaginary line is called equator. Imaginary line is called equator. This is about the earth. This is about the earth. Now I am going to say about this is the 5th largest planet. It is smaller than it is bigger than Mercury, Venus and Mars and it is smaller than Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune and Saturn. ఇది మెర్క్యూరీ, వీనస్, మార్స్ కంటేనేమో పెద్దగా ఉంటుందమ్మా. వేటి కంటే చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది? జూపిటర్, యురేనస్, నెప్ట్యూన్ అండ్ సాటర్న్. నెప్ట్యూన్ అండ్ సాటర్న్. ఓకే. ఈజ్ ఎర్త్ రౌండ్ షేప్ ఆర్ ఫ్లాట్ షేప్? ఈజ్ ఎర్త్ ఇన్ రౌండ్ షేప్ ఆర్ ఫ్లాట్ షేప్? అమ్మా, round shape. This is called North Pole. This is called South Pole and this is called equator. Okay, so now I am going to explain the features of the earth. The features of the earth. Features means lakshana. As earth ela untundi, lakshanalu enti? Features of the earth. Features of the earth. The earth is surrounded by a layer is called atmosphere. Layer of air is called atmosphere. Earth is surrounded by a layer of air is called atmosphere. The air we breathe that comes from this layer only. From this layer only. Next one, see the presence of oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen and nitrogen in the atmosphere. It favors the existence of the life. ఇవే కాకుండా ఎయిర్లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి? ఆక్సిజన్ నైట్రోజన్ ఉంటాయి అట్మాస్ఫియర్లో. ఈ రెండు గ్యాసెస్ మూలాన, ఈ రెండు వాయువుల మూలానే మనం శ్వాస పీల్చుకొని బ్రతకగలుగుతున్నాం, లేకపోతే చచ్చిపోతాం. మనం ఉన్న ఈ అట్మాస్ఫియర్లో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి నాన్న? ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? ఆక్సిజన్, నైట్రోజన్ ఈజ్ దేర్. Otherwise we cannot live, we may die. Okay, next one, the earth is it is a moderate climate. It has a moderate climate. Moderate means not too cool or not too hot. Not too cool or not too hot. Not too hot. It supports the life on the earth. విపరీతమైన వేడిగా ఉండదు, విపరీతమైన చల్లగా ఉండదు. ఇలా మీడియంగా మనుషులు బ్రతకటానికి, హ్యాపీగా ఉండటానికి వీలయ్యే విధంగా ఉంటుంది. ఎర్త్ ఈజ్ నాట్ టు కూల్ ఆర్ నాట్ టు హాట్. It has a moderate climate. Moderate means medium climate. Medium climate. Okay. The earth has a blanket called ozone layer. Ozone layer. It is a blanket around the earth. Around the earth. Earth has a blanket type layer that is called ozone. It protects us from the sun rays. సన్ రేస్ డైరెక్ట్గా మన మీద పడకూడదమ్మా. మన మీద పడితే కాలిపోయి జబ్బులు వస్తాయి, చాలా జబ్బులు వస్తాయి. అందుకే మనకి భూమి చుట్టూతా ఓజోన్ లేయర్ అనే ఒక పొర ఉంది. ఆ పొర ఆ సన్ రేస్ని డైరెక్ట్గా మన మీద పడకుండా కొంచెంగా పడేటట్టు చూస్తుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫీచర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎర్త్. ఏ లేయర్ ఆఫ్ ఎయిర్ around the earth is called atmosphere. Atmosphere has oxygen and nitrogen and it has moderate climate. And ozone layer is like a blanket around the earth and it protects from sun rays. Okay, now did you enter all of you children? Okay, now I am saying oceans and continents. Oceans and these are large water bodies. Large water bodies are called oceans. We have 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Antarctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Antarctic. These are called 5 oceans. ఓషన్లో ఏముంటుందమ్మా? నీరు ఉంటుందా, గాలి ఉంటుందా? నీళ్ళు ఉంటాయా, గాలి ఉంటుందా అమ్మా? Water bodies are called oceans. Are they fresh water or salt water? Salt water. We can't bring fresh water from the oceans. Those are all salt water only. Next one, large areas of land. Large areas of land are called continents. Khandal. 1. Asia is the biggest continent. Pacific is the biggest ocean and Antarctic is the smallest ocean. And Asia is the biggest continent. And second one, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. These are the 7 continents. Asia is the biggest and Australia is the smallest. Okay. Oceans are called, large water bodies are called oceans. There are 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Antarctic. And continents, large areas of land are called continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Okay children, this is about the oceans and continents. Now I am going to say about the movements of the earth. భూమి ఎలా కదులుతుంది, ఏ మోడల్లో కదులుతుంది, ఎటువంటి కదలిక ప్రకారం కదులుతుంది. See, earth's movements are of 2 types. One is rotation, second one is revolution. One is rotation and second one is revolution. One is rotation and second one is revolution. One is rotation and second one is revolution. Okay? Rotation means the earth spins. ఇలా తన చుట్టూ తాను తిరుగుతుందమ్మా. That is called rotation. The earth need not to draw these diagrams. No need to draw diagrams. Just write the words. Okay? Did you complete continents? Continents completed? Just write these 2 words. Movements: rotation, revolution. Now this is a rotation and this is revolution. So the earth rotates around itself and it rotates around the sun. That is called revolution. It takes 24 hours and it takes 365 and 1/2 days. 1 year. See, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun does not move in the sky, but the earth moves. The earth, సూర్యుడు ఉదయించాడు అస్తమించాడు అంటారు కదా, sun rise and sunset, that is not the correct. The earth only moves. The sun, it won't move. If we look from the earth, then we think the sun is moving, but the sun is not moving. The earth is only moving. The earth is only rotating and revoluting. Okay, so the path which the earth is moving around the sun is called orbit. The path which the earth, that is called orbit. సూర్యుడి చుట్టూతా భూమి తిరిగే మార్గాన్ని ఆర్బిట్ అని పిలుస్తారు. Day and nights are called because of rotation and seasons are formed because of revolution. పగలు రాత్రులేమో రొటేషన్ వల్ల ఏర్పడతాయి. Seasons, 3 seasons are there. Seasons are formed because of revolution. This is about the movements of the earth. Did you understand, all of you? How many movements are there? 2. What is the first one? Rotation. What is the second one? Revolution. How much time takes place for one revolution? 24 hours. 1 day. The day and nights are caused because of the rotation. And how much time takes for one revolution? 365, 1/4 days. Seasons are caused because of the revolution. This is about the earth. Who found earth? Earth is not flat, earth is round. Ferdinand Magellan. In which year? 1519. Okay, this is about the earth.